Welcome to today's episode of Podcast Name, where we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Prometheus, a leading light in the realm of monitoring systems. If you've ever wondered how organizations keep track of their services and ensure everything runs smoothly, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Prometheus? Well, it's an open-source monitoring and alerting toolkit designed for reliability and scalability, developed under the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. But what makes it stand out from the crowd? Prometheus employs a unique multidimensional data model, organizing time series data by metric names and key value dimensions. This allows for a flexible way to track and analyze metrics. If you're thinking, okay, but what's PromQL? Great question. It's Prometheus's powerful query language that allows users to extract and analyze this vast library of metrics effectively. You can really get granular and detailed with it. Now here's a fun fact. Prometheus doesn't rely on any distributed storage. This means each server node operates independently, making it more robust and less prone to failures you might find in other systems. Imagine a lighthouse guiding ships safely to shore without relying on complicated signals from a network. That's how Prometheus operates. Simple, effective, and reliable. So how does Prometheus actually collect data? It uses an HTTP pull model, meaning it fetches the metrics data at specified intervals from the configured targets. Think of it like a gardener regularly checking on plants, ensuring that everything is growing healthy and on schedule. For batch jobs, there's even a way to push metrics to Prometheus through an intermediary gateway. And speaking of configuration, there are various ways to install Prometheus. You can use precompiled binaries, Docker images, or even build it from source if you're feeling adventurous. Did you know you can run a Prometheus container with just a simple command? With Docker, you can launch it and have it up and running almost instantly. It's like magic for your monitoring needs. Now, let's talk a little about service discovery. Prometheus comes with a variety of plugins that make discovering targets seamless. You can configure it to find your services automatically, which saves you from the tedious task of doing it manually. It's like having a smart assistant who knows exactly where everything is. Makes your life so much easier, doesn't it? As we explore the capabilities of Prometheus, it's worth mentioning how it can also serve as a Go library. This means developers can integrate Prometheus directly into their applications. If you're a developer listening now, how exciting is that? Before we wrap up, let's touch on something intriguing: the React-based UI development that Prometheus supports. It allows for a more interactive way to visualize metrics. You can think of it as a dashboard where you can monitor your metrics in real time, making it much easier for teams to respond to issues quickly. So, to summarize, Prometheus is not just a system for monitoring. It's a versatile toolkit that empowers teams to maintain their services efficiently through innovative data models, an efficient query language, and easy installation options. Thank you for joining us today. I hope this peek into the world of Prometheus has been illuminating. If you're curious or want to explore more, you can find full documentation and guides at prometheus.io. Until next time, keep pondering the metrics that matter.